You're exactly right, but trade, of course, still the big headline right now. Dow is down about 50 points right now. Some concerning comments from German Chancellor Angela Merkel just in the last hour. She's warning that this brewing transatlantic trade war between the United States and the EU is now, quote, very serious. Of course, when it comes to China, the big topic once again on the currency front, the yuan weakening to the most in 2 years. And then it erased most of its losses overnight on a report that a big Chinese bank injected liquidity into the Chinese market. Shanghai Composite closing up by around 2%. And it's worth noting that as the U.S.-China trade tensions escalate, President Xi making his way to Africa right now, visiting Senegal, Rwanda, South Africa to really cement China's role over there. Back home here in the United States, another solid batch of earnings that's keeping this market on track for to close higher for the week. Microsoft beat by a nickel. It gave strong third quarter guidance as its cloud computing business continues to really expand. And then there's Intuitive Surgical with a really nice beat. Honeywell raising its full year guidance despite all that's happening on the trade front. And then there's Stanley Black & Decker had another strong quarter, saying it was able to weather the negative impact of rising commodity costs and a stronger dollar. That stock up nearly 3%. GE's earnings beat, showing Wall Street that maybe its profit decline isn't as bad as feared. GE beat on its both its top and bottom line, reaffirming its financial outlook for the year. Stock down 2.5%. You guys were just mentioning Skechers, but take a look at its price action this morning. Disappointing quarterly results and forecast a weak outlook for the third quarter. That stock now down 26%. It comes amid rising competition from Nike and Adidas in the shoe wear category. Finally, check out the sectors for this week: financials and industrials, the two best performing sectors, while energy is lagging despite the resurgence we are seeing in oil prices this morning. We'll see if that story holds. Sarah, back to you.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.